This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brandi Coplen. Breathtaking views of the South Bay and the Northwest Bay on Eliza Island. You will enjoy fantastic sunsets. Over half an acre and is ready to build. Septic is installed and the water hookup is on the lot. Enjoy crabbing, fishing, clam digging, beachcombing, kayaking, gatherings around the fire, and much more. Eliza Island is used primarily for recreational and vacation use, however, a few people do reside on the island year-round. Airstrip WA-93 No electricity on Eliza Is. For more information, review the details below.